I'm going to show you how you install an Arabic font for Inkscape. Any font you can do that. So here is the font that I have. As you can see, AE_Thuluth. That's the name. So I download it into anywhere. So I downloaded it into my download folder, and it's there. When I download, I just come right click and then go install for all users. Okay, so because I've already installed this, asking me do I want to replace it, so I'll say yes, replace it. And then now I will just go and open Inkspace again to see the effect of the new font. And I will just open a file that I created earlier. It's just got one sentence in it. Come here to text, double click on it, and then come here and choose this newly installed font, AE_Thuluth. There we go. And then of course you can edit it in any shape or form that there it is. So that's the font. Thank you very much.